Hello students, welcome to our channel Kalvi Karpom. Good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear students. Today I will speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter who devoted his life for India's independence. He is also known as Father of our nation or Papu because of his great contribution in India's freedom struggle. Mahatma Gandhi was the real life hero of India. He was the role model of millions of people around the world. He was one of the most selfless persons of the world. He sacrificed his entire life to uplift the status of the downtrodden people and the grant freedom to his country. He was a symbol of love and compassion. This great leader of our country was born on October 2, 1869 at Porbandar in the Saurashtra region of Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother was known as Putlibai. Mohandas Gandhi was a very obedient son of his parents. He would realize all his mistakes and correct them immediately. Once he was catch stealing money from his father's pocket. His father told him politely not to repeat that mistake again. Mohandas felt sorry for hurting his father and never repeated that mistake again. In the year 1888, he went to England to pursue his studies and returned to India after becoming a barrister in 1891. Mohandas was not able to practice law as it was impossible for him to took the false cases in the court. Mohandas left the job of the lawyer and began to actively take part in freedom movements. During his struggles for freedom, he has to tolerate the atrocities of the Britishers. Rabindranath Tagore gave him the title of Mahatma. Thus Mohandas Gandhi became Mahatma Gandhi. In the year 1917, Mahatma Gandhi launched a movement called Satyagraha to flee away the colonial rulers from the country. On 12th March 1930, he began civil disobedience movement with Dandi March. Gandhi took 78 companions along with him and marched nearly 375 kilometers from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi to break the SALT Act. In his own words, I am not going to be satisfied with anything short of complete freedom. We should do or die. We shall either free India or die in this attempt. It was due to the continuous efforts of Mahatma Gandhi and his followers that India finally attained freedom on 15th August 1947. A section of people blamed him for the partition of the country. On 31st January 1948, when he was going to address the evening prayers at Birla House, New Delhi, a man named Nathuram Godse shot him thrice from point blank range. He died on the spot with words "Hey Ram" on his lips. The whole nation salutes this soul who descended on the earth to eliminate the sufferings of the mankind. He was the true follower of the truth and non-violence. Friends, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my Kalvi Karpom channel. Thank you.